Alright, y'all. So this is what I use for the door panel. The prior two of them, just in case. The small flathead screwdriver, but these two prongs might serve the same purpose as this. Needle nose pliers to disconnect the door latch, and a 10mm socket with the extension. So first, I'm gonna use your flathead to remove this piece. This piece right here up under the door handle. This piece right here up under the door latch. So I'm gonna remove those right quick, then get those off. Alright, so with the door panel, you're gonna take it. You gotta unhook this wire first. Take that out. Flip this right here. Come on, thank you. So these two clamps right here, with this clamp right here, you have to push both sides in. I normally use a needle nose pliers, but yeah, once you push these in, this piece right here, it'll come out, and then you just slide the little ball inside the ball through here, and then it'll come out. There you see it. There we go. Now just give it a little bit more of a push. Take the needle nose. Here we go. That's the right there. And you can set up. There you go. Just that simple.